So here's how to fix action not available on Roblox on your mobile device. So if you're trying to vote for a game, whether you like it or dislike it, and you're getting that error, here's how to fix it. So first you will need to go back and click on More, and then scroll down to Settings. Go to the Settings page and then Account Info, and make sure that your email account or your email is fully verified. So as you can see next to the email, there is a checkbox or a check mark and a verified word there, which means the email is verified. And if it's not already verified, you should see a verify button or change email button. You will simply need to click on the verify and you should receive an email to your email. And then you should simply click on the verify email button there to verify your email. Now, once this is done, you can go back and go to the home page to the experience that you're trying to like or rate. So for example, on this one, you see. Now go and click on this game or any experience that you want to rate or like. So you will need to play a little bit before being able to do this, and then you can simply come back and click on these buttons and they should work and they should fix the error. Next, you want to try to restart the application if this still doesn't fix the issue for you. So for example, you want to exit out of Roblox and then you want to launch it back again after potentially verifying your email if it's not already verified. And that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.